This assessment asks us to calculate how this particular KEQ value was derived for this particular acid-base equilibrium. Our equation for the KEQ value for an acid-base equilibrium is 10 to the pKa of the product acid minus the pKa of the reagent acid. The pKa values of the acid on each side of the equilibrium are given for us in this particular equation, so we can calculate the KEQ directly. KEQ equals 10 to the negative 1.7 minus 4.7. When we subtract those out, that gives us a KEQ value of 10 to the negative 6.4. And when you calculate that through, you get 3.98 times 10 to the negative 7th, or rounding to 2 sig figs. That gives us a KEQ value of 4.0 times 10 to the negative 7th.